can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll take a look at an altcoin Gala. Gala is down on a daily time frame, weekly time frame, monthly time frame, on a yearly time frame. Gala currently trades around the $0.016 level. But the good news is that, guys, it's official. When an altcoin season, altcoins have been outperforming Bitcoin over the last 90 days. If 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that is altcoin season. And altcoin season is when these altcoins go parabolic. Altcoin season is where we see huge gains in the altcoin market. And right now, we're expecting those huge gains to trickle down into Gala and other altcoins. In this video, we'll look at Gala's performance against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. Are we ready for that big blow off top? Are we ready for that big pump? And more importantly, where are we going to get rejected on our way to new all-time highs? We'll also look at Gala's performance against Ethereum. Then we'll look at Gala's market cap, which currently sits around $765 million. Bitcoin dominance is dumping. Sentiment is still neutral in the cryptocurrency market. How will that affect the price of Gala? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Gala currently has a market cap of $766 million. A fully diluted market cap sitting at $833 million. Gala's all-time high came in on the 26th of November 2021. We saw Gala trading for as high as $0.83. Right now, Gala is down 98% from its all-time highs. The altcoin market, one of the most volatile markets in the world. Volatility is your friend, not your enemy. Volatility is the future in the altcoin market. It's not a bug. We saw the altcoin market pumping aggressively in 2021. Gala was one of the biggest gainers. You held some Gala in 2021, $1,000 invested in Gala by December of 2020. Guys, by the time we got to November of 2021, that $1,000 would have been worth $3.4 million. Crazy pump to the upside. That's what you get in the altcoin market. But before you get those crazy pumps to the upside, you have to stomach huge drawdowns. Volatility cuts both ways. When the market is bearish, we see dump to Goblin Town. We see 92% dump to Goblin Town. But only those smart market participants that can still buy, even though we are down 92%, can easily get those 34,000% gains to the upside, those 300,000% gains to the upside. Yes, the gains came quick, but there was still some hiccups along the way. We saw another 84% dump to Goblin Town on our way to all-time highs. But in total, we saw Gala in 2021 rallying up by more than 342,000%. But those kind of huge gains, guys, eventually leads to huge jumps to Goblin Town, creating a bubble here anytime we're pumping to the moon, and those bubbles eventually burst, and that's what happened to Gala since 2021. The bubble has busted. We saw Gala dumping to Goblin Town, finally finding its bottom in October of 2023. By then, it was down 98% from its all-time highs. That's normal in the altcoin market. A lot of altcoins dump aggressively to Goblin Town in their first full crypto bear market. But what we want to ask ourselves is there hope that Gala can still pump to higher prices? We have seen Gala struggle to rally past the $0.062 level since the start of the bear market. We got there in March of 2024. Gala pull up around the 400% move to the upside. Gala pull up around the 500% move to the upside, getting to as high as $0.08. We got rejected there, gave back all those gains. We tried again in December of 2024. We could only get to the $0.065 level before we got rejected and give up all those gains. I believe the next time we're going to see Gala busting above that $0.062 level. When altcoin season, altcoins are known to go parabolic in altcoin season. But the bad news is that after altcoin season, guys, and that bear market will come. But before the bear market comes, we have to see a pump to the moon, and that pump to the moon can happen very quickly, knowing how volatile these altcoins can be. The last 1 week has seen some pumps here and there in the altcoin market, but I believe the next 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month is going to see huge pumps in the altcoin market, and I expect Gala to perform in those pumps. Now, for Gala to rally past the $0.062 level, we need to see Gala pull off around the 300% move to the upside, which is possible, which can happen very quickly. But if Gala continues pumping, then expect Gala to even get near the previous all-time highs, but we need to rally past the $0.26 level, which is 1,500% move from where we are currently trading. These altcoins can go parabolic, but guys, remember, very, very importantly, you are here to play a game, and that game is against other market participants. The higher your coin go, the riskier it becomes. The higher it goes, the more you see great returning back to the cryptocurrency market, the more you see outrageous price predictions. You want to have a plan, you want to plan your trade, and you want to trade your plan. If you're going to be holding Gala to new all-time highs, you need more than a 1,500% move to the upside. You need Gala to pull off a 4,800% move to the upside. Is that possible? It's always possible, but you never want to say never with all these altcoins. There's no guarantee in the cryptocurrency market. You have to plan your trade and trade your plan. Where can you buy some Gala tokens if you want to get some? You can get some Gala tokens on Binance, on Bybit, on BitGet, on Gate, on Qcoin, on Mexi. Anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Gala tokens right there. Gala is the official ecosystem token of Gala, serving primarily as a utility and gas token for transactions on the blockchain. Gala never executed an ICO or other initial issuance events for Gala token. Instead, new Gala entering the circulating supply is issued exclusively to the founders node operators as reward for powering the decentralized ecosystem. If you look at Gala's performance against Ethereum, it's been nothing to write home about since the top came in 2021. It's been a long dump to Goblin Town, but before that dump to Goblin Town, we saw a big pump to the moon. We saw Gala outperforming Ethereum by more than 48,000% in just under a year. These bubbles eventually burst. All the pumps to the moon eventually leads to dumps to Goblin Town. Remember, the trend is your friend, and that's why when the trend ends, the trend is your enemy. We saw Gala dumping to Goblin Town in its first full crypto bear market, losing around 98% of its value, retracing almost all the gains it made in the last bull market. In the coming days and the coming weeks, I will expect to see Gala pumping to the moon. I will expect to see it outperforming Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the US dollar. From where Gala is currently trading against Ethereum, we could easily pull off 1,000% move to the upside, and that will see Gala facing huge resistance. But 1,000% move to the upside, guys, is very substantial. Don't get carried away. Remember, you're here to play the game. You're here to sell for some sweet profit. Historically, all coins pumping against Bitcoin, Ethereum, and US dollar at the end of market cycle is because market participants are flipping their gains made from Bitcoin, their gains made from Ethereum into these altcoins, trying to chase gains, trying to get 10x, trying to get 20x. Gala should be one of those altcoins that will enjoy from that process. And Bitcoin dominance has been dumping. Bitcoin dominance has been dumping for over 90 days, and that's why we are seeing us get into an altcoin season now. Historically, Bitcoin dominance dumping is good for your bags. Bitcoin dominance dumping is good for the altcoin market, which means new money entering the system. It's not heading straight to Bitcoin. It's heading straight to the altcoin market. We'll be expecting to see great return back to the cryptocurrency market, even though sentiment is neutral right now, even though Bitcoin trades above $115,000, Ethereum trades above $4,500. Focus is on the altcoin market. And over the next few days and the next few weeks, as the altcoin market go parabolic, expect to see great return back to the cryptocurrency market. Expect to see extreme great return back to the cryptocurrency market. That will be a telltale sign to sell for some sweet profit. Altcoin season is here. Greed will soon return back to the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin dominance is dumping. Can Gala's market cap get to new all-time highs? I believe the all-time high is very possible. Gala's market cap sits around $765 million. Before we get to all-time highs, there's a very important level Gala's market cap needs to rally above, and that's the $2.39 billion region. Gala's market cap found the chill pill there in January of 2022. We rallied to that $2.3 billion level. In March of 2024, we got rejected. We tried again in December of 2024, got rejected. I believe this time around, we're going to blast above that $2.4 billion level. Maybe get to the previous all-time highs. The previous all-time highs, we see Gala's market cap going up by 648%. If Gala's market cap gives us 1,000% move to the upside, we should expect to see Gala's market cap get to that magical $10 billion region. A 1,200% move to the upside, we see Gala's market cap get to $10 billion. But guys, that won't take Gala's US dollar price chart to new all-time highs. That will just see Gala trading at the $0.21 level. More tokens have come into circulation since when Gala was launched. That's why there's discrepancy between the market cap valuation and the US dollar valuation. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Bitcoin dominance is dumping. Altcoin season is here. How high do you expect to see Gala going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Where will you be selling for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.